Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the IndieZone. My name is Kathy. Just a few minutes ago, I checked the docket. It is late afternoon on the East Coast. It's just 2:30 or so in Ada County. The docket has been updated in the Idaho versus Kohberger case with one entry today. Today is December 10th, 2024. It is a notice of closed remote hearing, December 11th, 2024 at 2:30 p.m. It states here, notice is hereby given that Brian C. Kohberger, by and through his attorneys of record, will call on for a closed remote hearing for the defendant's ex parte motions, plural, ladies and gentlemen, motions, in the above styled matter, December 11th, 2024 at 2:30 p.m., or as soon thereafter as counsel may be heard in front of the Honorable Judge Stephen Hippler. This is standard language that's used, or as soon thereafter as counsel may be heard. So this isn't unique to this issue. This hearing, I venture to say, will be 2:30 p.m., December 11th, 2024. This is the item that we first noted, appeared on the docket on the 6th via the case management schedule that the clerk of court maintains, the case summary page. So this is what we have been waiting for. It goes on to say on page 2, counsel for the defendant hereby gives notice of the intent to present oral argument and or testimony in support of said motions dated this 6th day of December 2024, signed Elisa G. Massoth on behalf of Mr. Kohberger. So first, just in summary, this is in fact the hearing notice that we saw on the case status report maintained by the clerk of court Friday, December 6th is when this was noted. Yesterday, which was Monday, we noted that there was an entry on the same case status report. It was a PDF document. It wasn't one of the documents that we know are sealed because those documents have a little lock next to them. If you look on the case status report, you will see that those are the documents that are typically sealed. So now what we know is this is the defense who set this hearing. Plural, motions. It's more than one. A motion is an application for a court order. Defense motions, plural. The titles are not given here. This is quite perplexing because usually when a matter is called up before the court, the name of the motion or motions in this case are given. They are not stated here. The third thing that is very intriguing to me is that counsel for defendant hereby gives notice of the intent to present oral argument, that means argument of counsel, and or testimony. So that means someone's going to get up on the stand and be subject, more likely than not, by examination by defense counsel and then cross-examination by the state of Idaho, but we don't know who. This would be something that we've seen in the past. We know that when the change of venue matter was pending, that the defense presented a number of witnesses, including Dr. Brian Edelman. That is testimony when he got up on the stand and was examined by the defense. So this so far is the only thing that's on the docket at the moment. We were expecting to see several more items appearing on the docket that were filed on the 6th. the state of Idaho's various objections to Mr. Kohberger's various motions to suppress evidence, motions to compel discovery, and a response opposing the motion requesting a Franks hearing. I will continue to monitor the docket, and as soon as we have more information, I will get back up on here and on the IndieZone podcast to let you know. At this time, I want to thank you so much for joining us here today.